Wednesday, 12th of November. Really interesting forecast, I think, today. Well, for the next few days. I'm energized by it anyway. So we've got rain coming at the moment. So warm front coming from the south, pushing northwards, and a fair amount of rain in that, and pushing northwards through the rest of today and into tonight. It's not quite clearing the north coast, though. It's going to linger across the northern parts of Ulster through tomorrow, Thursday, right through tomorrow, Thursday. And then it's kind of getting pushed back down again because we've got that anticyclone coming from the north, nice cold anticyclone, trying to push southwards over the next 48 hours or so. On Friday, that same weather front coming back up from the south and turning heavy, and not only heavy but lingering because it's not making progress into that high pressure coming from the north. So on Friday it looks like there could be some flooding associated with this front coming from the south right across Munster. Eventually through Friday and into Saturday, the high pressure kind of wins out. It's like a battleground. It kind of wins out over Ireland, so it's cloudy. And then eventually, with subsidence through the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, it starts to brighten up a little bit. Still a little maybe air mass drizzle, little spots showing up on the radar. And Saturday, Sunday, and you can see on the metgrams, it's just steadily getting colder through the week. Day on day, we're moving into the colder air mass because now what we're on the north side of the polar front. The days are short. There's very little use in the sun at this time of the year. The angle has gone so low. The radiation is trying to get through a thicker layer of atmosphere because it's lower in the sky. And we have much less radiation getting through, much less heat. So it day on day gets colder and colder and colder. And now we're getting into, there's a little area of low pressure scooting through that high pressure through the midweek. But then we're into this northerly airflow, a cold northerly airflow, convection over sea, probably not over land because the land is going to be getting too cold to be producing any convection. But convection over sea on a fairly brisk northerly wind could bring showers down over probably just Ulster and into maybe North Connacht over hills and mountains, carrying a little bit further south, but unlikely to turn to sleet and snow further south or lower on lower ground. But you're probably looking at a sleet and snow, I'd say, certainly as the week goes on, likely on coastal areas, on hills in Ulster and North Connacht. But it's just lovely to see that steady and the agreement in those barrels for the next week ahead. You rarely see the 51 models agreeing just so well. An interesting week ahead. Sinead Slangafoyle.